back to the channel. And so for today's video, basically I wanted to tell you guys why I feel like the Pixel 3 is still a great buy, especially in spring of 2020. Now, for some time now, you guys probably already know that I've been using both iOS and Android. And by using iOS, it is reinvigorated by just my support in Android. Why I like Android so much, and why the Pixel 3 to me is still a good fit and a good buy. Especially if you're looking for a device under $500, you could probably find a Pixel 3 going for probably $300 or less, depending on where you look. But for those people who have had their sights set on the Pixel 4, but you don't want to spend $800 on that device, the Pixel 3 is definitely a go-to option for you guys. It is one of the Pixel devices that was released with less controversies compared to the Pixel 1 and the Pixel 2, and definitely less controversies compared to the Pixel 4. But besides that, and just going on just Pixel devices, say just in any Android device, you would get probably one of the best experiences with the Pixel 3 and stock Android. Not only the fact is that you will get Android 11 and Android 12 when those come out, but you also get security updates carried through at least 3 years. We'll see how that goes, because the original Pixel got 4 years of support before being cut off. But nonetheless, when you think of the Pixel 3, one of the things that comes to mind is still photography. Still photography is one of the main selling points of Pixel devices, and I can tell you guys right now that it does very well, even after going from Android 9 to Android 10 and various software security patches and updates. It still holds pretty good. Now, when it comes to taking videos, while a lot of people like to complain and compare it to the iPhone 11 and say that, you know, iPhones do better with videos, yes, in a way that is kind of true. I've noticed that with iOS devices, which is the iPhone, they do pretty good when it comes to taking videos. But the Pixel 3 is no slouch. Videos that I've recorded for YouTube have been taken by my Pixel 3, and a lot of people have liked the way the video has come out as far as the quality of the video. So it's not to say that you're shooting it from a potato, but it could be beefed up a little bit, and Google says they're going to be working on that down the road when it comes to their Pixel devices. They really nailed it with still photography, and then, like I said, that's one of the main selling points. Now, this device has the Snapdragon 835. It does have 4 gigabytes of RAM, and it does have a dedicated processing chip solely specific for video, not video, but photo taking. Eventually, it'll be for video too as well. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But for photo taking, and the photo quality on this has not degraded at all whatsoever. I take a lot of photos with my Pixel 3 and share it on Instagram. As you guys can see, some of these photos right here, I mean, they look really good. And this is a 1.5 old device, about to be 2 years old come October this year. And it still takes great photos with a single camera sensor in the back. That to me is amazing. While most devices today want to have at least 2 sensors or more for ultra wide and telephoto, the Pixel 3 still boasts one single camera sensor in the back. It can take these pretty good photos. I mean, zooming in and you see all the spices and everything like that that's on the food that I took pictures of that I shared on Instagram. It's doing very, very well for for a single camera sensor. And on the front, you do have 2 camera sensors, obviously for a selfie and an ultra wide selfie. So you still get that, which I think is more important to some people. So you get that with that. But overall, for under $500, the Pixel 3 is a definitely go-to option if you're looking to get a new phone, but you don't want to spend close to $1,000 or even over $1,000. Then the Pixel 3 would be one that I would definitely recommend you take a look at, and it could fit your budget. And so that's it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Thanks a lot for checking it out, and as always, aloha.
Let me out! I'm stuck in your pocket.